Welcome to e-HRMS 2.0. In this video, you will learn how you can raise a medical reimbursement claim and obtain prior permission for treatment. As an employer, you can find the medical claim form in the Employee Services under Reimbursements. This is the medical reimbursement form on e-HRMS. From here, you will submit the medical reimbursement claim and request permission. So first, you have to select the type of request you want to raise. Whether permission for medical treatment or medical reimbursement. So first, let's see the case of permission for medical treatment. Here you will get many options, like estimated amounts, office contact number, CGHS card number, validity issued by the government, and the name of the patient. As you select the patient, your relationship with the patient will be auto-filled. CGHS card number, validity of the CGHS card of the patient. Select the treatment or tests, whether they are covered under CGHS or not. After that, you will fill in the details of the hospital, prescription and the required treatment, tests. Then attach the copies of the same documents, click the check box and submit. Similarly, for non-CGHS coverage, you will fill in the details, update and submit. So, this is how you apply for permission for medical treatment. The second type is a medical reimbursement claim. Select this option, and further, you get two more options, whether it is under CGHS or non-CGHS. If it is inpatient admission, then you will select inpatient. After that, you will fill in the details, name of the patient, ward entitlement, whatever is private or semi-private, and select the appropriate option. After that, you will select the name of the patient, and your relationship with the patient will be auto-filled. Then select if you are empaneled under CGHS and if the treatment is taken under emergency or with prior permission. And then, according to that, you fill in the details, fill in the amount, invoices, and all these things are customized. Here you can fill in the rates charged by the hospital and fill in the permissible amount yourself, by checking the list of permissible amounts for reimbursement attached. Put the date of invoice, then the date of admission and discharge. The total amount claimed will be auto-calculated as per the rates charged by the hospital. After doing this, you will choose the file, go to the checkbox and submit. After that, you will upload the CGHS card of the employee and patient. Also, original hospital bills or vouchers. And if you are selecting the type of treatment as OPD, then you have to fill in the details accordingly. Relationship with the government employee will be filled automatically. Fill the treatment, test, invoice name, rate of charge, permissible amount and date details. After filling, you will go to the checkbox and submit. Same process will be there for non-CGHS type of treatment. In non-CGHS also, as you had put the details of the inpatient or outpatient treatment. If you are taking admission in the hospital for treatment, then you will fill according to that. You will fill in this detail and submit. Similarly, for outpatient, you will fill in this detail. After filling in all the details, enter the amount, upload the invoices and charges. Click the checkbox and submit.